as you know that we have two orchestration tools. One, we call it Docker Compose, and another tool we call it Docker Stack. I don't want you to go to the Docker Compose video and watch it. What I'm doing, I'm going to explain you both of this in this particular video. So let's start. First of all, we are going to start with Docker Compose. Docker Compose is a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker environments. This is definition of Docker Compose. The keyword we have is multi-container. Now same is applicable for Docker Stack as well, but what is main difference? Let's open Docker Stack mind map to get complete idea about this. Docker Stack is tool for deploying and managing multi-container Docker environment across multiple nodes in Swarm cluster. Now this is big difference we have. If we are talking about Docker Compose can create container, and this container will reside inside single Docker host. If you have a Swarm cluster, definitely you need to use services with multiple replicas, and this replica will reside into the multiple Docker host. Now in this case, you have to use Docker Stack. It allows you, I'm talking about Docker Compose, it allows you to configure containers, networks and volume in a single YAML file. Same way, if I'm going to talk about Docker Stack, it allows you to configure your services, networks, volume in a single YAML file. Now keep this in mind that both of these tools are actually using Docker Compose.yaml. But this particular tool, Docker Compose, is going to create containers inside single host. This particular tool called Docker Stack going to create service in the Docker Swarm cluster. Yes, both are using same file, Docker Compose.yaml. Okay. With Docker Compose, you can start, stop and manage multiple containers simultaneously using a simple command like Docker Compose up and down. When you will use command Docker Compose up, whatever you have any number of containers defined in Docker Compose, all this will be up together. And if you want to down them together, it will down them as well. But everything will be in the one single Docker host, right? It simplifies the management of complex containerized environment by ensuring that all the components work together as defined. It is going to define containers, networks, volumes together.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Power Shatara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.